David's mother was sitting in her Model 3 waiting outside a hospital for her doctor's appointment in Madrid, Spain, when two con artists made a move on her. In the rear camera, we can see the two thieves getting in position. The woman hid behind some dumpsters while the man walked by and dropped a bunch of stuff behind the Tesla. The man then walked over to the other side of the road before he started yelling at David's mother that she'd dropped her keys behind her car. As soon as she opened the door and got out of the Tesla, the woman snuck along the side of the car and slightly opened the door. Right then, David's mother realized that the things behind her car weren't hers, but the man kept yelling from the other side of the road that she needed to pick them up. That's when she felt that something was wrong, so she went back to the car to grab her purse. That's when the woman aborted her theft attempt. While David's mother was picking up the things dropped behind her car, the woman came back and told her that she'd help out by hand-delivering those things to the hospital. She really didn't suspect anything until she saw that the woman never went back to the hospital. When she watched the Sentry Mode footage later, she realized what had happened. David helped her put the videos on a thumb drive, and she went back to the hospital and gave them a copy so they would have evidence if it happened again. She also filed a report with the police. This Model 3 owner was sitting at a red light in Miami, Florida. When the light turned green and he accelerated, he heard a loud bang behind him. He pulled over, saved the Teslacam footage, and pulled up the video to see what had happened. A car had run the red light and T-boned the car next to him. This caused their trunk to pop open, sending its contents all over the intersection. Sango was driving his Model 3 to work early one morning in Denmark. As he pulled onto the highway, there was a severe accident up ahead. Afraid he'd be hit from behind, he turned on his hazard lights in the hopes that the driver behind him would notice. The guy behind him stopped in time and also put on his hazard lights, but he wasn't as lucky as Sango. Another driver rear-ended that car at full speed. Sango can't remember if it was him or the Tesla that moved the car forward a bit to avoid becoming involved in the accident. Sango gave a copy of the video to the driver who'd been hit. He had no major injuries other than whiplash. While they were talking to each other, they heard another crash happen on the other side of the highway. That crash probably happened because people were checking out the accident instead of watching the road. Keep your eyes on the road, people. Tori was driving his Model 3 home from work in St. Paul, Minnesota when, out of nowhere, 3 undercover cops surrounded a vehicle across the intersection and drew their guns. Tori says it felt like he had stumbled onto a movie set. When he got home, he told his girlfriend Emily about the incident, and she said they should send the video to Wham Baam. You go, girl! Adam was driving his Tesla in Auckland, New Zealand. He approached a very steep hill when he found a lady on a kick bike. The lady was giving it the full send, pushing for more speed, but when she hit a speed bump, well, it turned into some running instead. Luckily, she managed to regain control of herself and an accident was avoided. Roberto heard his wife yelling that his Model 3 had slid down the driveway. His heart sank because he remembered he'd been charging it. He thought he was going to have to replace the charger, but luckily the charger had disconnected instead of breaking. They'd gotten approximately 6 inches of snow the night before, and Roberto's Tesla had lost traction while parked. William was driving his Model 3 in Torrance, California, and as he pulled up to an intersection, he heard a loud bang. An SUV had run the red light, slamming into the side of a minivan that was headed across the intersection. Upon impact, the red light runner went up on 2 wheels, hitting 2 other vehicles in front of William. William saw both drivers of the initial impact were pretty shaken, but they were otherwise okay. The other 2 drivers that were hit by the 2-wheeling SUV were okay as well. Alex was driving home on the A7 in Germany when he found the Autobahn full of snow and ice. As traffic slowed down, the Audi driver ahead of him couldn't stop in time and swerved to the right where it hit a Volkswagen Golf. Nobody was injured and the police were notified. Alex gave them a copy of his Teslacam video. William was driving his Model Y in Antioch, Tennessee. A snowstorm had hit the area, and he was on his way home when someone started backing out of their driveway into the road. William swerved in an attempt to avoid an accident, but the other driver still hit him and pushed his Tesla into a ditch. The other driver then left the scene of the accident, and William is still in the process of filing a police report. Luckily, he works for a body shop, so he can get his car fixed quickly. Franz was driving in the Netherlands with his son when a helicopter flew over. Franz thinks there was a military exercise being conducted nearby, as this isn't something you see every day. Does anybody know what kind of helicopter this is? Leave a comment. Ari was driving his Model 3 on Route 7 in New York when a Honda CR-V in the fast lane decided to perform an illegal U-turn in the middle of a 65-mile-per-hour two-lane highway. This caused the two vehicles behind them to collide with one another. Ari provided video to the victims of the crash for them to give to their insurance providers since the accident hadn't been their fault. Would you consider this a Honda bump? Hold on everyone, it looks like we've engaged warp speed. Oh, never mind, it's just snowing. This video is from Hendrik, who was driving down a mountain in Germany. He drives down this road quite often, so he knew about the sharp corner up ahead. He approached it slowly, but he still lost traction and slammed into the barrier. Autopilot wasn't engaged and wasn't available due to the severe weather conditions. The wheels and quarter panel were damaged, but Hendrik says he's so glad that the Tesla hadn't been damaged more. He'd just picked up the car a week before this accident. Hendrik didn't file an insurance claim. He has a €1,000 deductible, about $1,200 US, and a claim would probably increase his insurance premiums a lot, so he's still deciding if he should leave the damage or repair it out of his own pocket. What would you do? Leave a comment and help him out. This next clip is also from Germany. The submitter says that wet roads, a 500 horsepower car, and him are a bad combination. As he accelerated out of a roundabout, he lost control and crashed into the ditch. Luckily, there wasn't any damage to the car at all. This was a free lesson that his car is very powerful. Derek was driving his Tesla when he heard screeching tires behind him. It turned out he was inches away from being Honda bumped by a driver who was on his phone. Emil was driving his Model 3 in Romania when he witnessed what he calls a modern-day salting. Luckily, they didn't shovel a load onto the Tesla. Alan was cycling in New Zealand when he spotted a Tesla and he wondered why it had stopped. Well, it might have had something to do with the fact that there was a bicycle filling up every camera angle. We've gotta say, this camera setup is really cool. It's like Teslacam for bikes. Thanks for sharing, Alan. Rob had parked his Model X in Atlanta, Georgia when he got a push notification that the security alarm was going off. On the Sentry Mode video, we can see there was a car that, well, had some trouble getting out of its parking spot. The driver managed to hit Rob's Tesla several times. He even had some friends trying to direct him, but the situation was still a complete disaster. His friends even inspected the damage to Rob's Tesla, but then the driver took off, making this a hit and run. Rob filed both an insurance claim and a police report. He'd just gotten the car a few weeks earlier, so this incident really stung. Darnell was driving his Model 3 in New York City, New York. He was just a few minutes away from work when he was the victim of a Honda bump. A lady decided to make an illegal U-turn after being double parked. She didn't check for oncoming traffic and crashed right into Darnell's Tesla. Darnell filed an insurance claim with the other person's insurance provider as they accepted fault immediately. Okay, here comes a rather unusual submission, the other side of rolling coal, the dark side. Jacob was driving his L5P Duramax when he saw a brand new Tesla sporting a temporary license plate. He says he wanted to give him a warm welcome to the Tesla community by rolling coal on him. On a quiet Saturday morning, Tessie was going shopping when a moorhen started crossing the street. Halfway across the road, it changed its mind, causing an accident. I'm not gonna lie, when I first read this submission, I thought it said there was a moron who crossed the road and caused a crash, but apparently there's a duck-like bird called a moorhen. Who knew? Tessie told us the most important thing was that the moorhen, survived, and everyone filed their insurance claims with clear consciences. We're gonna keep nagging you to check out the new Wham Bam Dashcam channel, so check it out if you haven't yet. We received over 100 submissions on the first day, and some of these videos are crazy. Wham Bam, head over there, man.